everyone, and today we're going to paint a cartoonish owl. Okay, let's start. And here we also need a 2-inch brush and some blue color, a white color, green color, black, a little bit yellow. Okay. Alright, now we prepared our paper. You just put a lot of paint on your brush, and today we're going to like circle like this. Okay, just goes around and cover the whole page. Okay, we finished the first layer of blue, and today we're going to go all along. No need to wait. Okay, now we get some white and do the moon. So you can use the same brush, just get a little bit blue in it. It's fine. Okay, just do a circle like this, and now we get a little bit of green. Do the outside the moon, the color. All right, just a little bit. Just goes around the white circle, just like this. Okay. Alright, we finished here, and we change to a smaller brush. Get white again. This time, you just make a circle around the moon, and then you just tap it, all the paint into the moon part. Okay, so you see that left some blue, and then some parts whiter, some darker, so that it will look like the moon color. Okay, and then here we're going to get some black color, make a little dark on the edges. All right, here we'll find a angle brush, get some black color, and draw the tree. Okay, start with the bottom. You just can put it here and there. There's no much detail on the tree. Okay, and then you add a few branches on top, and later on I'll show you how to draw leaves. Need a few leaves on. Okay, let's go on and change to a small brush when you do the smaller branches, like that one. There you go. It just goes around here and there. You decide where to put the branches. Okay. Alright, pay attention on this one. We're going to do a little curve here, because we're going to set the owl here. Okay, let's get an angle brush first. You just go a circle, do the two eyes first, and then the body just like an oval shape. And just be careful, don't make it too big. Okay, they should be in shape. Yeah, there we go. The angle brush is good for the edges, so you can just use the edges of the angle brush, so you don't have to do it too many times. You get a perfect line. Okay. Alright, here we change to a smaller brush. We're going to do the owl's eyebrow. Okay, and let's shape up the eye a little bit first, and then you just draw like this, press and lift up. Okay, like this. Alright, and then another one on the other side, press and lift up. There you go. And yeah, that's already come out of shape. And here we'll put some little branches with leaves. Here, let me show you a few leaves here. You just press the brush. Alright, and in the middle of the leaf it gets a little bigger, so you put a little more pressure. There you go. There's another one. Alright, you keep going. You do the same thing. Okay, you can gentle first and press harder in the middle and lift up the brush. Okay, and that's a leaf. Alright, here we'll make some gray color, and we're going to put some light on the tree branches. Yeah, here a little bit, there a little bit. Just go on, add a little bit detail, okay? Alright, here we're going to do the owl's eye here, okay, with the yellow color. Look like the black color is still wet, so we need to wait until it dried up and come back to do it again, okay? Alright, here is dried, and we add some more yellow to cover the black show up there in the background. There you go, you see? Now cover everything, okay? Just go on, cover the other one. Then after this, we're going to put a black part and a little bit highlight there. And that's it. The owl will be done. Alright? Look perfect. Let's get some black. There we go. Do a little dot. Another one here. Good. You can shape up a little bit. There we go. That look much better. Alright, now get a little bit white. Just touch it. One dot. That's all. Alright, we're done. Alright, sign your name here in the bottom. That's it for today. And see you next time, okay? Remember, subscribe my channel for more lessons. Alright, see you next time.